How to get Canva Pro subscription. Hey everybody, in this tutorial we're going to see how you can easily get Canva Pro subscription on your mobile device. So the very first thing you want to do here is go ahead and open up your web browser. You can also continue on with Canva itself as well, but I'll just go over here and then go to canva.com, hit enter. Make sure that you log into your account. So I'll just continue on with my Google account. Now once you sign into your account, all you have to do here is find the Pro section on Canva. You can do that by tapping over to the hamburger menu at the top left. And then from the menu section, you have an option to try Pro for 30 days. So go ahead and tap on that. What it does is you can easily get Canva Pro for 1 month for free. You can get 100 million plus premium photos, videos, and elements. You can create with ease using the Magic Resize, background remover, and premium animation. And you could also get brand kits, content planner, and 1 terabyte of storage. Tap on Try Now for $0 US. Then you are going to have to select any one of the plan. It doesn't matter what you select currently because you can always cancel your plan at the end of the month. So go ahead and tap on next. Then you can use your PayPal or credit or debit card. So I'll just tap on credit or debit. All you have to do here is enter your card details like your card number, expiry date, your CVC code, your region, and then tap on get your free trial. Once you have done that, you should be able to have access for Canva Pro along with all of these perks for 30 days straight. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.